Congratulations on 1,000 subscribers, Andy. You were so great with your big rigs and huge toys.
Hi everybody! So today we're celebrating Andy's 1K. We are heading up north for a little pizza party and then we're gonna do a live. And he's so nice to actually let me do his live on my channel so I can get the hours because I need the hours. I'm almost there, so that's exciting. And I definitely thank you for everyone who has watched my videos. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to getting out and having a really good day. Come on along. Lean back.
The sign, Joey.
The sign.
That's got the old baby on it, right?
Oh, look at the baby. That's a cute baby. Oh, this is a cute town. So this is Fremont, Michigan. It's a cute little town. Look at all the old buildings. Yeah.
Built in the 1890s.
Wow. The Gerger baby was developed here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
There's some really cute houses in this town. Some old ones. Look at that one. That's beautiful. Some churches. Hi Andy, congratulations on reaching 1,000. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good.
Pretty amazing, right?
Thank everybody for that.
It only took a couple months.
Yeah.
You know what I'm really creeped out about?
What?
Is that baby behind you.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, I got the veggie sub and I had no idea it was this big or I would have ordered half of it. We got some really good fries. Those are good. What did you get?
Pizza sub with ham and turkey added.
Nice. What's yours? Italian sub. We got a picture of Pop. And we are at Mancino's Pizza and Grinders. It's so good with a creepy baby. Kitty cat's doing. Oh, you're so precious. I love you guys. Oh, Butters. Oh, you a good boy, Butters. You a good boy. Time for an after dinner walk. Woo. Where's the dog?
She's pooping.
Every time I take a video, that dog's pooping. Come on, Susan. It's not hunting season yet. Let's go for a walk. Come on.
Come on, you know where you're going.
Which way are we going, Susan?
We're going this way. I'll let you go first.
Okay. Which way are
Go
we
right,
going?
Susan.
Which
Yep.
way?
She knows the way
Oh,
back to the
she's so
house.
smart. She's smarter than I am out here. I'm always lost.
She knows the way.
She knows.
Look at all these little pine trees.
Oh, they're so pretty. So pretty.
Years ago, none of these were here.
That's
When I
beautiful.
bought the place.
So pretty.
It's all natural. Take a look at what the woodpeckers did to that tree.
Oh, yeah, wow.
See it there?
Let's see, let's zoom in. Yeah. Ooh, I love these weeds. They're so pretty.
Yeah.
So pretty. Then you've got grapes too. Now I've eaten these grapes before and they are sour. Okay, let me try one. Hold on. Let's get rid of the gum. Okay. Oh God. Oh God, Andy.
They're
Oh,
bad?
oh,
They're tart?
you taste one right now. Ugh. It's in my mouth. It's really bad. Why are they so bad?
That is tart.
That is tart.
I don't know. Is there a different kind of grapes for making wine?
You wouldn't want wine from those grapes. But you know what? The animals eat them nice.
Yeah. The deer will come and eat them pretty quick.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice big bunch of
There's a
them.
lot of them.
Yeah, I wish they tasted good. I love to eat grapes. I'd be out here eating them every day. Look at that. Why are they so tart though, I wonder?
I don't know.
Oh, heck yeah. I'd be like picking these before I left. But they are lucky. Where are you going? What are you doing over there? What kind of business you got going on? Let's see these pumpkins that Andy got. Oh, wow, that's nice.
And believe it or not, these are called stackable pumpkins. This is what you're
Oh.
supposed to do with them.
Oh, yeah. Remember
what we-
I was talking about that?
Yep.
Those are cool. I like those. From the front, well, kind of the front yard, right?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. We're live. We are live. I'm going to back up a little bit because I know this thing gets really hot.
Okay.
Really hot. We just started the fire. We went for an after dinner walk.
Yep.
That was, ouch, that was nice.
What'd you do?
I stabbed myself with a... Yes,
Oh,
congratulations, Andy.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I gotta turn the volume down.
We had some awesome pizza today.
Yeah.
Well, subs.
Subs.
You had a pizza sub.
Yeah.
I had a veggie sub, and John had an Italian sub.
Oh, that's
I
fine.
need to take the sweater off. Now I'm getting warm. Susan, what happened to your fur? Susan, you need a bath.
I need to check it.
You need a bath. You need a bath. Come on, baby. Come on, let's get a bath. Ready? Let's get a bath.
Come on.
Hi, beautiful baby. You're a good girl. You are a good girl. You're a good girl. Hi, Butters. Come here, Susan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Susan gets a bath. Is she being a good girl? Oh.